Hello, my name is Crystal, and I will be working at a hospice agency for my field placement this semester. I am hoping to get out of this field placement just an idea of working with older clients and patients, and also in how families and people react to death. Um, I previously worked with foster children and youth and their families with mentors and volunteers. So everyone I have previously worked with was pretty, kind of on the younger side. They were healthy. They were not dealing with this. I did have a couple of people who were in foster care because of the death of parents, but it wasn't something actively happening at the time. So this will definitely be some new experiences for me. I am wanting not to get comfortable with the death process, but I am wanting to learn coping strategies and how different people handle this situation, and how, as a social worker, I can best help them. Um, I started yesterday, and already I know it's going to be totally different than any experiences I've ever had. Um, I have had family members go through hospice, but I wasn't directly involved in any of that, so this is totally new for me. Um, I am looking forward to it. I'm working with a social worker who has 30 years experience. Um, Although I was supposed to be working with her and the other social worker at this agency, but due to COVID and everything that's going on, I am no longer working with both of them. I'm just working with one of them. And up until last Friday, I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to start. So it's been a bit stressful, and who knows what's going to continue to happen with everything that's going on. But I know I will learn a lot of different aspects of social work, a totally different kind of side of it. I did a lot of case management and looking for resources and helping my families out previously. um, so I know that the case management part and the resource part will also be beneficial in this field placement. um, but I'm looking to all the new things that I'm going to learn and the new experiences I'm going to have, um, and just meeting new social workers. I'm going to get to meet the other five social workers from, we have like two offices because they've expanded, so I'm going to get to meet them and just kind of want to kind of pick their brains and kind of learn from everyone's different experiences and backgrounds. um yeah, that is about it. Thank you, guys.